Katie, you play Morgana. Welcome to the show. Croeso i Uned Pump. That's the show, Uned Pump.
Right.
Right.
I was like, what are you saying?
You know Welsh, you're fluent in Welsh.
Absolutely am, but I don't like to talk about it.
Okay,
You know,
we'll come to that, yeah. But tell the viewers a bit about your character, Morgana.
Morgana is... She's sort of the ticking time bomb of the show. Everybody's waiting for it to go off because everybody knows in the legend what it is she becomes, this dark, evil, powerful sorceress. But Merlin isn't about what they become, it's about what we are before. So in the show, she is a opinionated, strong, manipulative woman. So she's good fun to play.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Feisty.
Do we get to see her
Yes.
develop into this in the second series now?
You get to see hints of what it is she's going to be, but in typical Merlin fashion, it's never going to be the way that you expect. I mean, that's what's great about this show, is that they give you all the bits that you're familiar in the legend. You get Excalibur, you've got Lancelot, you've got everything, but not in the way that you are used to.
Okay.
And that's what makes it really interesting. So you'll see Morgana, but not in... She'll be surprised.
Ah, you're scaring me a bit now, actually.
Hey, got hired for a reason, you know.
What about the guest stars? There's loads of guest stars been in. Who's stood out for you?
Who do I always enjoy working with Asa Butterfield,
Right.
who is, plays Mordred, but we've got Amelia Fox, Charles Dance, we've got Adrian Lester, Mackenzie Crook, Sarah Parish. I mean, the list goes on and on and on and on, and I'm sure I've got a few that I'm not going to tell you. You're just going to have to wait and see.
Okay, and they just seem to fit in with the cast because there's a big family vibe in the cast as well.
Well, we're really lucky because on second season, about 95% of the same crew decided to come back.
Yeah.
And so we're all quite familiar, because when we started out, it was kind of this little show about magic that nobody really knew what it was, and it's become such a success, but we're all still the same crew and the same people, so we're not really aware of it. And so when people come in, there's like a really nice vibe, because everybody knows everyone else, and we've all been through the same thing.
Yeah, and we've seen Richard Wilson film his last scene today. That seemed really...
Yeah, I want to make sure that, you know, we get a bottle of champagne too. That would be nice. Probably not.
When is the last scene for you, this series? Cause
Last day of film.
And that
last
is?
scene to next Friday.
Okay. And you've been... How long have you been on this?
About 8 months.
8 months.
And I was saying to my mum, it's gone beyond tiredness that is going to be fixed by a night or two sleep. I need like 3 weeks on a beach with no phones and nobody talking to me.
There's, you know, Barry Island, you can go to that beach, or Porthcawl, there's a beach down there.
Great! Do you have
But you're
sunshine?
thinking more of a Maldives type
I'm thinking
vibe.
more heat, relaxing,
no rain.
little drinks with umbrellas in them. Yeah.
We
You can do that for me?
Yeah, I can...
Brilliant, off you go. Yeah, is that all right?
We
Yeah,
have to get back to you on that. But going back to the Welsh now, have you learned any Welsh since you've been here? No, nothing.
Nothing. It's
You
ridiculous.
just told me off camera now, you got tea.
That means house.
House,
But
is
then
it-
because it's chocked in Irish and tea in Irish, you can say the same thing. So every so often, a few words are similar.
Teach me a bit of Irish then.
What do you want to know how to say? I can't speak Irish, but I might be able to help.
You can say anything and I can say it.
I can just start making up words.
Go on, make up a word for me.
That's what I kind of think you're doing with Welsh
I'm
right
not,
now. Just
honestly.
to taunt me, to make me look silly. You're just going to start talking in Welsh and I'll be like, oh wow, that's amazing. It sounds
I can see-
brilliant.
I
And
can see you
everybody at home will be giggling and
No,
laughing at me.
bore da.
Bore da.
Good morning.
All right. Good morning. You could say Diagwitch, which is hello, God be with you in Irish. So we say hello by Diagwitch.
Oh, Diagwich.
There you go.
Okay.
Oh, that sounds pretty Welsh.
Brilliant, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm
We-
glad
we-
you
I
go
love,
on.
I love this reciprocation with cultures. It's brilliant. See, Merlin teaches me so much. It's given me so much.
You know how to say good morning in Welsh.
I can't remember what it is.
Bore da.
Bore da.
What was mine?
Diagwitch.
No, Diagwich.
See, you remember it much better. Bore da.
Diagwich.
Nice. Well, it's not really good morning, but it's hello. Close enough.
Well, I'm going to let you go now because you're very busy. You've had a quick costume change.
I know, slightly different, huh? Not quite so spark. And the Uggs.
Oh, the authenticity. Also, I like the authenticity of the props that we've got.
Yeah.
We've got a hammer here as well.
Well, just in case Gwen needs to fix her table.
Of course.
You should have seen Richard Wilson's shoes, though. Did you see his?
No.
He's got a pair of Nikes that they
No.
have made a cover for, a medieval cover. So that his shoes are Nikes, but on top of it, they've built a thing around them so he can still wear them.
So he's got comfort, but in the period as well.
Exactly. See, that's what the show's about. It's about mixing modern and, you know, showing it in a new way. And that's how Richard Wilson gets his Nikes.
That's how he rolls.
He rolls. He's so cool.
Okay, thank you. Diolch yn fawr. Yes, thank you very much.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. Thank you all for coming. Bye.
Oh.